masyadong maaga kami yata. Kaya wala siya. Siya lavender siya pero hindi pa talaga siya nag-ano kasi hindi pa yata mas na ano lang yata kami na maaga. Kaya ganito pa lang yan. Kaya wala pa siguro. Mga July pa siguro ito. Ayan, hindi pa siya nag-bloom ang mga lavender guys. Kasi nga maaga kami pumunta. Sabi pala ng mga tao is July. So, ayan. Last year pumunta din kami pero August, no, amor?
Yeah, August.
And now it's too early.
June.
Oh my gosh. It's the real bloom of
July.
lavender is July. Guys, side by side guys is ano yan. Lavender.
Now we are going to the restaurant.
Huh?
The important thing is to eat in a good restaurant.
Sorry yan. Sarap?
I will. I don't know where I am.
Ganda naman ang pagkabato nito. Super beautiful. Tingnan mo yung color ng ano nila is purple lavender. Sarado ang restaurant. This is have a bird, but there's not a bird. Look. Oh, super beautiful. The church, I mean, this is a small church, but it's so nice. The rock stone, wow, beautiful. And that's a fountain. Fountain, amor. That's the house or restaurant? I think it's house. It's closed. Everything is closed. We will go to the city, to the other one. Amor,
Castillo de Torija.
I think it's sarado eh. Kaya siya. Dumaan kami dito sa kastilyo ng Toro. Aywan ko anong kastilyo to. Basta, dumaan kami dito. Ayan, yung asawa ko. Pag-video din. Aywan, ang ganda. Ang gusto ko ito oh. Ang ganda ng maliit ng pueblo na siya pero ang ganda. Ganda.
I
But it's
already
5
ate a
euro.
half.
Oh my god. And my husband eat a half, but look at this. This is 5 euro. It's so expensive.
It's the same.
Es lo like lechon.
It's the same.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But in Spanish, what is that?
Torrezno.
Torrezno. Ayan. Pangalawang plato yan. Pero ang liliit ng serve nila guys. Pero tingnan natin masarap.
Yeah, chips.
Our Trisera food. What is this, amor?
This is loin. This is all loin of goat.
So, and this is my baso. My pastry is cheesecake and with sorbet.
Red fruits.
What?
Red fruits sorbet.
Fruits. And I'm waiting for my coffee. Amore. ¿Y tú, cariño? Yummy, yummy.
Ya tengo bastante
Waiting
tripa.
for my
Also,
coffee.
the ice cream is of the caramel of violet from Madrid.
Okay.
Los caramelos de Violeta Madrid, pero en helado, lo hago yo.
Ah,
And also, the base of the cheesecake is of biscuit of chocolate that is made from me.
you see, it's
That is free
biscuit.
gluten and free lactose.
You see, it's chocolate and cookie. It's not sugar.